Join me as I try to set up a system that gives me real-time soil moisture updates for my indoor plants. As a plant enthusiast, I've always struggled with figuring out when my plants need water. It's a delicate balance: too little water and they wither away, too much and you risk root rot. I've lost count of how many plants I've accidentally killed by underwatering or overwatering. But what if I told you there's a way to get real-time updates on your soil moisture levels? Maintaining the right soil moisture levels can be a challenge. Plants need water to survive, but too much water can be just as deadly as too little. I've seen plants wilt and droop from underwatering, and I've also seen them develop root rot from being waterlogged. It's a constant worry, especially for plants that are sensitive to moisture fluctuations. Soil type, temperature, and humidity all play a role in determining the perfect moisture level, making it even harder to get it just right. Soil moisture sensors can provide real-time data on the moisture levels in your plant's soil. These sensors come in different types, including capacitive, resistive, and tensiometer sensors. Capacitive sensors measure the dielectric constant of the soil, while resistive sensors measure the resistance of the soil to an electric current. Tensiometer sensors, on the other hand, measure the soil water tension. Each type has its own strengths and weaknesses, and some are more suitable for indoor plants than others. Using a soil moisture sensor has been a game changer for my plant care routine. I can finally see exactly when my plants need water, and I've noticed a significant reduction in plant stress and mortality. For instance, I have a fiddle leaf fig that was prone to wilting, but since I started using the sensor, I've been able to adjust its watering schedule to prevent that. My plants are healthier, and I feel more confident in my ability to care for them. In conclusion, getting real-time soil moisture updates has been a revelation for my indoor plant care. It's helped me avoid overwatering and underwatering, and I've seen a noticeable improvement in my plants' health. If you're struggling to keep your plants happy and healthy, I highly recommend considering a soil moisture sensor. If you've had any experiences with soil moisture sensors or plant care, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on indoor gardening tips for more advice on keeping your plants thriving. AFRA Smart Soil Moisture Sensor, 2-in-1 Bluetooth moisture meter and temperature tracker for indoor plants and gardening, real-time notifications and app control by LINKSTYLE. Color white. Brand LINKSTYLE.life. Battery description alkaline. Mounting type surface mount. Operating humidity 0% to 100%. 2-in-1 soil moisture tracking, effortlessly monitor soil moisture and temperature with our innovative plant soil sensor, accessible directly from your smartphone. Stay connected to your plant or garden's well-being from anywhere, anytime. Real-time data empowers you to make timely adjustments to your plant care routine, fostering a flourishing garden. Precision-engineered sensors for plant care. Our sensors are meticulously crafted for accuracy and reliability, ensuring precise readings of soil conditions. Gain confidence in understanding your garden's needs with our technology, guiding your gardening decisions for vibrant, thriving plants throughout the seasons. Premium craftsmanship, crafted with meticulous attention to detail using top-quality materials for durability. Our waterproof sensor probe delivers precise soil readings in any weather. Note: upper battery compartment is not waterproof and exposure to rain or extreme temperatures may affect device performance. Receive notifications on your smartphone. When paired with the Wi-Fi hub, receive personalized alerts on your smartphone about any changes in soil conditions requiring your attention. Additionally, use the soil moisture logging feature to track trends over time, gaining insights into your plant's hydration needs and optimizing your care routine. Versatile applications, adaptable to various gardening scenarios, from vegetable gardens to indoor potted plants. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals managing different green spaces.